Welcome to the first episode of my new series on my channel called Melissa Tries To. So this series is pretty much going to be me trying to do things, I guess. Currently, all the ideas that I have right now are food related things, so a lot of different types of recipes that I really want to try. And for those who don't know, me and the kitchen are not really good friends. I'm not the best cook in the world. I don't really know much in the kitchen. However, I can make things that are edible, but I can't guarantee that it's good. So I guess I'm not that bad. Maybe one day this series will venture out into different categories, but as of right now it's just mainly food related. So for this episode we're actually going to be doing an easier recipe to get started on this series, and it's going to be vegan mac and cheese. I have been wanting to make vegan mac and cheese for so long now, and I found a really simple recipe online. It's actually on the PETA's website, and it looks super easy, so I'm really excited to try it. So let's go. Okay, so we're in my kitchen now, and the first step is to soak your cashews. So I have some cashews, 1 cup of cashews soaking in here. The cashews that I'm actually using is salted, so I don't know if that's gonna affect the recipe. If anything, it's probably just gonna make it a lot more saltier, so that's fine. And now I'm going to heat up some water and cook my pasta. I'm using this organic quinoa macaroni that I got from iHerb. Okay, water's boiling. Oh my gosh. Okay, the pasta's cooking, and now we're gonna make the cheese. In my blender, I'm gonna put in the 1 cup of the soaked cashews. And then we need 1 clove of garlic. So I have pre-peeled garlic right here. We need 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. Okay, 1/4 cup nutritional yeast, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and now we need 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I think it's gonna give it that bright yellow color. And the recipe doesn't actually say this, but I'm gonna add some black pepper in because black pepper actually increases the bioavailability of turmeric. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of black pepper. And last but not least, 1/4 cup of water. And now we're gonna blend this up. I hope that's enough water. Okay, I'm gonna add some more water because it's really thick. I think it's supposed to be a little bit more liquidy. Should I add more liquid in there? Okay, I'll put in a little bit more water. Okay, I think that's good. And now we're waiting on the pasta. Okay, our pasta's done. We're gonna pour our cheese over it. I don't know, our cheese looks too thick. Actually, I think it's okay, right? Okay, let's give our mac and cheese a try. This looks so good, and it smells really good too. Oh my gosh. Oh, it really does taste like mac and cheese. This is really good. So I've never really had vegan cheese before. I've only had vegan cream cheese before, and that really tasted like cream cheese. But this is so good. Oh my goodness. Super easy to make. Oh my god, this is so good. Highly, highly recommend it. Let's put some sriracha in this. Definitely go and try this. If I can make it, you can make it. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this new series that I'm starting, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.